What's up everybody, Amos here. Today we are going to learn 3 ways on how to merge dictionaries in Python programming language just like this one. First of all, smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to show me some love. Without wasting time, let's hit the code. I have prepared here 2 lists, set 1 and set 2. Method 1. We are going to use the keys method. So when we print its output, this is how it looks. Method 2. We are going to use exponentiation operator. And this is how its output looks like. The final method is by using the pipe operator. Note this feature is available in Python 3.9 going onwards. If you have any question, please type it in the comments section below. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that notification button for more videos concerning computer programming. Have a nice day.